Hi, this is Robert, and I'd just like to say a few words about the TheFxAce forex signal service. When I started with the service, I had a really busy schedule, and being able to receive the signals on a Sunday, set them up in the platform, and then not having to do anything until the following Friday when I come back and close out any remaining open positions, and that's it for the week. Any updates or changes, new trades, etc. that come during the week, these are sent via a special Telegram group straight to your phone, so it's all very easy to implement, and the whole service is quite convenient. While I was with the service, which was roughly about 5 months or so, about 5 months, I had consistent account growth of between 1 to 3% per month. Of course, you have your up weeks, down weeks, but overall about 1 to 3% per month, and this was consistent growth. And those figures might not sound overly exciting, but as traders, we all like to see our equity curve going up, right? Sort of up, no matter how small the angle. Also, I had a very small account, so my trade sizes were minimal in order to keep my risk parameters within acceptable limits. As I mentioned, I'm not with the service at the moment, and that's mainly because I took a course with also with the TheFxAce, and this course was on the methodology that they use to identify the trades for their signal service. So I'm now pursuing my own goals of becoming an independent trader, and I'm in my own trading, I'm using much the same methodology that the signal service uses for the trades in their service. So from that perspective, I can tell you firsthand that their methodology really works, and can highly recommend the service. Thank you.